Hi everyone, my name is Alex and I am a graduate student at Purdue University. Today I will show you how you can install and use the CourseMIRROR mobile application on your Android device. The CourseMIRROR app is a free mobile application that scaffolds students to reflect on their learning experiences. It also helps instructors capture the gist of reflections effectively based on the reflection summaries generated by natural language processing. Let's explore the app together. So, on your Android device, you need to install the app. I am going to go to the store, and then I'm going to type in there CourseMIRROR. And I am going to click on CourseMIRROR version 2. Make sure that you use version 2. And then I'm going to install. And then I'm going to open. Okay. And now I am going to enter in my information after clicking on the New User Sign Up button. And I'll just type in all of this information. And now you could see at the bottom there that it said that I was going to get an email. So I'm going to go to my email, and I am going to check for that email from the app. You can see right at the top there, no reply. And then I will click on the link. And you can see that I have successfully verified my email. Okay, now I'm going to go back into the app. Now, if you can't find the verification email in your inbox, please check your spam folder. If you haven't received a confirmation email, please contact the CourseMIRROR team via coursemirror.development@gmail.com. Once your email address has been verified, you can log into the CourseMIRROR app by using your verified email address and the password that you initially created. If you forget your password at any time, you can simply click on Forget Password right next to the password icon. So now that I've verified my email and my password, I'm going to enter in my information and log in. And I'm logged in. So, when you first log in, you will notice that there's no classes shown underneath. In order to add a course, you click on the Add Course button at the top. You will be prompted to enter in a passcode. Your passcode will be given to you by your instructor. If you have not received a passcode yet, make sure to email your instructor for it. Now, I already have a passcode, which I've entered in, so I'm just going to click Cancel, but you would just click in here, enter in the information, and then click Add. And you can see that I've already been introduced into a class. And so next we'll be talking about how to actually do the prompts.